I saw someone make lobster bisque pasta on TikTok. I can't find the video anymore, so I'm gonna try to replicate it like without a recipe. First, I'm just gonna fill my pot with water. These are all clean dishes. Salt. And a lid. I'm also gonna make these Red Lobster biscuits. I know you can make these from scratch, but the box is just easy, okay? All right, 3/4 cup of cold water. It calls for 1/2 cup of cheese, but I'm gonna do extra. There's no such thing as too much cheese. Ooh. I was trying to do that up high and make it look cool. That did not go well. Now I'm just gonna mix this up till it makes a dough. Got new cookie sheets for Christmas. These are the air bake ones. They're my favorite. My mom got them for me. They like have air inside. Does anybody else use those? I swear they bake better than any other. And my husband got me cookie scoops. I just grabbed this out of the dishwasher. It's a little wet. It's fine. But my husband got me cookie scoops for Christmas. I'm gonna try to make 12 of these, so that every person in my family can have 2 if they want to. Oh wait, I didn't space this out very good. Okay. All right, biscuits are ready to go in the oven. I'm not gonna put them in quite yet though, because I want them to like come out, get done when the pasta gets done. So, but I am gonna preheat my oven to 425. I'm gonna wash and cut up these cherry tomatoes. It just feels like the right thing for this dish. I'm literally so frustrated with TikTok. I think I'm done filming on the app. I made my pasta, except for I added too many noodles. So I ended up adding a bunch of whipping cream and cheese. I don't even know what you guys saw. It just keeps deleting my videos. So I guess I'm not filming in the app now tonight. I don't know what's going on. It's like I push record and then I push stop record and it just deletes. It doesn't save it, what I just recorded. I don't know. Frustrating. Anyway, I'm so excited with how the lobster bisque pasta turned out. I'll try to like write in the description below how I made it, and then I'll maybe redo this video again because I'm definitely making this pasta again. It turned out so yummy. This is just like a bowl and a little dish towel or flour sack sort of material. It just helps keep it warm, but not like get soggy. Here's how the pasta turned out. So good. Oh, I hope you guys love this. Go grab your plate. They're biscuits. I am so impressed with this.
It's really good.
One more time. We each made
So
a
delicious.
person.
I am so impressed. This is so good.
I know.